In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in ClickUp. By the end, you'll be comfortable viewing your work on a timeline and placing the tasks exactly where they belong, so your schedule is clear and easy to manage. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and locate Home. Go ahead and click Home. This brings you to a central hub where you can quickly jump into the views that help you plan your day and your projects. At the top of the screen, find the View menu. Click View to open the available layouts for your current location. From the list, choose Timeline. This switches your workspace into a horizontal, date-based view so you can see tasks laid out across days or weeks, just like a project schedule. Next, let's adjust how much time you see at once. Near the top of the timeline, click the Time Period control. Select days if you want a detailed day-by-day look at what's scheduled. This is great when you're assigning work with precise start and end dates. If you want a broader perspective, click again and switch to Weeks. This zooms out so you can see how tasks span across multiple weeks. For a focused planning window, choose the 7 days option to view a single week at a glance. When you need to get granular again, switch back to days. Moving between these options helps you plan both the big picture and the fine details. Now let's add tasks to the timeline. If you see tasks listed without dates, you can schedule them by dragging them onto the timeline grid. Click and drag a task like Task 2 from the list and drop it on the specific date where it should start. You'll see a bar appear on the timeline representing its duration. Repeat this by dragging Task 3 and then Task 1, placing each on the appropriate date. If a task should span multiple days, grab the end of the bar and stretch it to extend the duration. If you drop a task in the wrong place, simply drag it to the correct date. This action sets the task start and due dates automatically, making your schedule both visual and accurate. That's it. You navigated to Home, opened the timeline view from the View menu, adjusted the timescale between days, weeks, and a 7-day window, and scheduled tasks by dragging them onto the timeline. Use this flow anytime you need a clear, visual plan of your work.